Now the third problem, MMGS and part materials. So this we need to build using only 3 features. So let's try that. Let's go to Solidworks, import. Now in this one, we'll first make the base in the top plane. So let's just create 2 circles, one here and one here. The dimensions would be 20 plus 6 into 2, because the inner circle is 20. We are making the outer circle right now. So 20 into 6 by 2, that is 20 plus 12, that is 32. And this circle is again 6 plus 6 into 2, that is 18. And the distance between these two circles is 38. Now we'll connect these circles using 2 lines such that they would be tangent to the circle. We can just create a center line over here, and the sketch is defined completely. Now what we'll do is we'll select this line and the center line and directly do mirror entities. This is done. Now we need to trim the inner parts. So this is also done. Now let's create the inner circles. This one is 20. Here the inner circle. This is 6. Okay, so let's extrude this now. Extrusion is 6 mm from the front view. Okay, this is done. Now let's sketch on this plane. Let's just select these circle and this one and convert entities so we can get these. We don't actually need this circle, we just need the inner one, and we can make the outer circle. Let's give the radius 32. Okay, so let's extrude this. Their total extrusion is 14, but we already have 6 mm, so we'll make it 8 mm. So 8 plus 6 would be 14. Now the bottom part, again we'll just convert entities so we can easily get the inner circle and we can make the outer circle. 18. Now let's extrude this. This is 24 mm. So the part is now completed. Let's define the material. The material is steel, galvanized steel. It is over here. Apply and close. So let's check in the answers. 128.03. Let's check that. 128.03. So this is correct. This was the third problem. Next problem in the next video. Thank you.